Okay, there we go. Sarah and Alan, good to see you. Happy Friday. Happy Juneteenth.
Good to
Yes,
see you too.
Wa-
likewise.
Wanted to meet with both of you today. I know it's a little bit later into this month, but last month you guys had crossed $10,000 in your business. So first of all, congratulations to both of you.
Yes.
Yay.
Amazing. So I'd love to maybe start with just rolling the clock back a bit on how you guys even got here. And would love to know from each of you what went into you guys getting involved in a business like this. What maybe each of you had like a different reason for wanting to get this started, or maybe
Okay.
not, but would love to learn more about how you guys even got to this point.
Okay. Well, I think you want to start?
No.
Okay. Well, I think it was her idea. She found y'all guys online. She had a cleaning business, but she was doing all the work herself, and she wanted to be more of a business owner and have what people working for her. She told me about it. She brought a video with y'all guys talking about what y'all do and everything. She said, "Do you think this is a pretty good idea?" She had y'all guys and someone else. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. And I was like, these guys seem a little bit more legit. Let's try to
Yes.
do his process, their process. And she was like, all right, let's go. We paid the subscription or whatever it costs for the fee. And it was the beginning part was what you say, kind of it was like in between difficult,
Mid.
not really, but kind of.
Yeah, kind of mid, just
Just
because we
mid.
didn't know, what we
Yeah.
were doing, where everything was going.
It wasn't hard though.
No,
At the same
it
time, it
wasn't.
wasn't difficult, but it was just new when you travel, or not when you travel, when you do something that's different, it's kind of, computer systems. It's not my forte. She was a little bit better at it than me.
I liked it.
Yeah.
Good. And
It's
Sarah,
being working a full-time job
Mhm.
and trying to
Manage.
manage everything, because you want to give it your full attention. And so,
We both got full-time jobs.
yes, Alan has one too.
And we were able to do it. So, I mean, is it that difficult? We were able to do it. And I heard what you said when you started your business, you were going to breaks in the morning and call back some people and wait till your lunch break to call back people. And you made it happen. So whenever it got difficult for us, I said, you remember what he said?
Yeah, he sure
He was
did.
able to do it.
I would say
He was
you're
working a
right.
full-time job. And so
you guys are too funny. But yes, that is true. And obviously you guys both did it. So that obviously is a testament to it can work if you guys do put your mind to it. I'm curious from you guys, and do you know how many days it took for you guys to hit the number from when you guys went live?
2 months.
I thought it was going to be longer. It was like 2 months.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
second
something
month.
like that. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
the
after
second
we
month.
had that one call, I remember when we were going over the whiteboard. I think after that call, you guys really just took off. So, but I am curious from you guys. I know that the line to getting to 10K is not always straight. There are ups and downs with it. I would love to hear. I would love to hear from each of you. One thing maybe that was the most challenging for you in this journey to this point, and then maybe from each of you, like when you started to realize this was working.
I found it challenging on the employees. That was the main thing. Getting the leads in and talking to people and setting them up with appointments and getting their card info, all that stuff was pretty easy. The hard part to me, or the most challenging part for me, is the employees. The turnover is crazy. And now when you said always hire, me and Alan at first was like, how are we going to always hire? Like, what are we doing? Now I get it, because, it's hard to find good, reliable workers and people that know, how to do the job and stuff. And I'm able now to be able to give my full attention to it, so I can do training and maybe focus a little bit more on, the hiring, so we can up our leads and do more than 10K.
Yeah, definitely. And I knew the first month, I knew it was going to work. Right when we got the first client and closed the first deal, I was like, oh, okay, we just got to repeat, wash, rinse, and repeat. That's all we got to do. Then I said, after we made the first sale, I was like, okay, it's on and popping. And the way they got it set up with the thumbtack and Google LSA, I was like, oh, we could make this work. You just have to do analysis. We had to figure it out, fine tweak it. So I knew from day one, and the first week, it was the first week. Well, I knew like, okay, this could be something. This could be something.
Awesome. And I think something just came up for me and Sarah. I would love to hear from you specifically. I know, hey, you used to do the cleanings, right? That's a completely different world that you were like living in. I would love to hear from you, like how you view the business differently now that you're kind of on the other side of the fence, right? Like you're not in the field anymore necessarily. You're now kind of like, some people have a tough time letting that go, right? And they have like, hey, I love the work that I do and like no one can do it my way. I hear that a lot of times from cleaners that initially are the cleaners, right? So there's an element of you have to relinquish some control. So I'd love to hear from you how that is all kind of transformed for you on your side.
Okay, I'm not good at this. Okay, no, I'm a paralegal too, so obviously I like the business side of things. When I was doing the cleaning, it's sometimes can be hard work, and I like the business side of it a lot more. Like you said, trying to find somebody that has the same cleaning ethic as me, that is hard to do because I went behind somebody today and was just like, what were they thinking? Like they didn't even do the corner of this or what? So that is challenging. But I love the business side of it. Yeah, I don't want to touch a mop and a broom. You know, I'm almost 47 years old. You know, that's for the birds. I want to relax. So this business allows you to relax a little. You know, as long as you have the right employees in place and dependable people, you have freedom doing this. And it's nice. You know, you get leads that come in, that lead might last 5 minutes. You can go to the gym and then do another lead or work on something else, you know, just you have a lot more freedom. And I like doing the technical stuff of things. And before, when I was doing the cleaning, I didn't have a structure. So I didn't have anybody over me. I was still my own boss, but I didn't have the structure that you guys have had helped us build. And that makes it a lot easier because before I had no way to get leads. I had no way to set appointments unless I wrote it down. I had no way to take payments. So it's a lot better, you know.
That scares me.
Yes, I had no way to take payments. I took cash. I took cash. And so, but that was 20 years ago. You know, we didn't have all this technology and stuff then that we do now. So it's a little different.
Yeah.
When I started this in 2024, I initially was going to do all of the cleaning. And I didn't even get one house because I didn't have the structure or the leads. I just went around and passed out my cards and everything, and I got sick. And I can't use my hands as good as I once did back when I did do all the cleaning. So this was like the perfect opportunity. When I found y'all's video online, I was like, yes. And thank God for Alan, because he really helped coach me into staying in the right attitude, mindset. And so that helps a lot.
Okay. Coach Allen in the house. Awesome. I'd love to hear maybe from each of you as well. Like, what about the program specifically did you guys find most valuable for yourself?
Everything. The courses. I really liked the calls at the end of the week because when we had issues, we just jotted down and we couldn't wait to hop on the live call.
We didn't do a lot, but
it wasn't a lot, but I mean, it helped.
It helped a lot.
You know what I'm saying? And he might answer when he talked. He answered a question before we asked the question sometimes. So. And
the whiteboard. That whiteboard helped a lot. That really put it in perspective, and that's what kind of started really, you know, both of our minds together. We just been kind of going at it, and you get little problems that come up, but they're easy to fix.
The secret sauce is finding the right crew and reoccurring Recurring services.
Yes,
That's the
recurring.
secret sauce right there. Now,
You
once you
was
build
right.
that up, oh my God, yes. And that's what we're working on now. Reoccurring with residential, but reoccurring with commercial too as well.
We've got a few contracts and some offices and stuff.
Airbnbs,
We
we
got-
got those.
yeah.
We got one that
We got a big one.
A
It's
big
a
one.
big one.
You guys are talking like we're at the candy store right now.
yeah, that one Airbnb. Well, that's a
She has us clean it like every few days.
and it's $400 something.
That's amazing. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
450. Yeah.
Mhm.
But yeah,
The address is 777, so that's my lucky house.
okay,
That
that's
house is
the Vegas house.
my full-time job, so now I can focus on this full-time.
You hear what she said? She's not working a full-time job. It's only been a few months.
That's amazing. Congratulations. I don't think I knew that. You need to tell me that before we get on so I can be prepped here, but congrats.
Yeah, you didn't tell
I
me?
didn't tell him
Oh,
yet.
yeah.
I was waiting for
It's
the
a
call.
surprise. It's a surprise.
Yeah.
Well, listen, that's obviously a huge step. That probably segues me into the next question, which is, how do you view the business moving forward? Right now that you're saying, hey, I'm like actually starting to take some hours off from my other job and starting to allocate towards this more. What do you guys? Obviously, we have the remainder of 2026, but like even beyond that, where do you guys want to take the company?
Scale it.
Mhm.
Do it in other cities and towns. Scale it here and scale it.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sarah, anything from you?
Same. I mean, there's sky's the limit. Or did I say that right?
Yeah. Limit is the sky.
I mean, yeah, there's no cap here. I mean, there's no, at my regular job, it stops at a certain amount. And Alan taught me that and saw me see my worth and things. And with this, there's no stopping. Like, as long as you work hard and you stay focused and you stay attentive to the clients and you got a good, reliable team, that's the main thing, is finding a good, reliable cleaning crew. Without that, you cannot keep up with everything. Because our next step is to up the leads, which we're getting to about 3 houses a day. And when we haven't even upped the leads to that last amount y'all asked us to yet.
Yeah.
So once we do that, and we got to get the right team in first. So once we do that, I think we can get to 20 real quick. Pretty easy. We made 10. We just need another month and a half. We got to find the right team.
And the beauty behind this is the infrastructure. You can take this and apply it to other businesses and grow.
For sure.
So
Definitely.
You guys
Okay. Last question here, guys. And you guys are great and entertaining to actually hear both of you answer all these questions. But last one here, if someone's on the fence about doing something like this, what would you tell them?
do it. Do it. Like, don't be scared. I was at first, but man, once I took that leap of faith and started paying y'all and started seeing how it's working and building it and everything, I never second guessed it.
was I hesitant?
You was at first until the first week. When it didn't you just
No.
he wasn't hesitant. I was at first, but like I said,
let's do it.
I was meaning
Between the two people?
yes.
Yeah, but I chose
Yes,
him. Yeah.
yes, he was hesitant until he
Yeah.
actually really did some research in on y'all, and we read the reviews. And
You gave me options, so I
Yeah.
had to wait.
Okay.
I said it's a go.
yeah, he said it was a
I
go.
was like, I wasn't like, no. let's do it.
No, he didn't say no, not one time.
Yeah.
That's not what I was meaning. I was trying to say was when he first saw that first week and we started actually getting money in, then it was like, oh, pedal to the metal,
Yeah.
let's go.
Okay. Well, listen, now you guys are the reviews on the other side. So
I'm
you're
not good at this.
No,
Your
you
turn.
did.
I'll answer.
You're good. You did a great job. Like, you did a great job. Just continue doing it. You're fantastic. Keep it
you guys are great.
going. Thank you.
Well, listen, that was all I had for you today. First of all, or again, congratulations on hitting the
Thank you.
milestone. I really do think you guys are a great team, and there's a bright future ahead of you guys. So it's been a pleasure on my side to work with you guys, and excited for what's to come.
Yes. Thank you. I mean,
Yeah.
you pretty much changed the glide path of our lives. You know, this really changed. She
Yeah, it
doesn't
did.
work her 9 to 5 working for someone else. She works for herself now. That's thanks to y'all. Like, no, thanks to them. And like they doing a service to the public. Y'all could have
Yeah.
gatekeep the secret. Like, hey, I know how to, y'all could have
Y'all
been
could've.
gatekeepers. Like, ooh, we're gonna do this. But y'all actually going out and say, hey, y'all could be your own boss and y'all could excel at this if you just apply yourself and don't give up. So if anybody on the fence, y'all shouldn't be on the fence. Just go for it.
Yeah.
Go for it. If you go for it, do it. Because I remember you told me there's some people, because I asked you on one of the phone calls, do some people do the course and they don't complete it? And you said, yeah, sometimes they get a couple weeks and then life happens. Or there's no reason. If you're gonna put the money down, do it, and it will work. It will work.
It's
Our
worth it.
second
Okay.
house.
All right. There we go. We'll end it there. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Well, listen, enjoy the rest of your weekend. And
Thanks.
obviously, we'll chat soon. Take care, guys.
You as well.
Okay,
All right,
thanks.
take care.
Bye.